Hey there! Welcome to the ecFence Systems Installation Guide. First things first, let's check out the key parts of your ecFence system. The ecStarter, ecPanels, posts, a 2x1 angle when necessary, screws, and post caps. Each piece is essential for making your fence strong and sturdy. Here's what you'll need for the job: a measuring tape, a level, a drill, manual post hole digger, a circular saw with a steel blade, and 3,000 psi minimum concrete bags. Pick from 3 sleek color options: natural bronze, arctic white, and foggy gray. Each one is designed to fit perfectly into any outdoor vibe. We've got 3 standard fence height configurations: 4 feet, 6 feet, and 8 feet. For a 4-foot fence, you'll need 1 ecStarter and 7 ecPanels. For a 6-foot fence, 1 ecStarter and 11 ecPanels. For an 8-foot fence, 1 ecStarter and 15 ecPanels. Need to adjust the height? Simply add or remove 1 ecPanel to increase or reduce the height by 6 inches. Don't forget to check your local building codes to determine the maximum height and spacing between posts, which is typically between 4 and 6 feet on center. All right, let's get to work. Begin by measuring the area where you want to install the fence and mark where the posts will go. Use a manual post hole digger to dig the holes, ensuring they meet the required depth and diameter necessary. For this example, we will be using a 6 by 12 foot configuration with posts set to 4 feet on center. Next, place the posts into the holes and pour the concrete, ensuring each post is level before the concrete sets. Once the concrete has fully set, measure the required width for your ecStarter panel and cut it to size if necessary using a circular saw. Here's an insider tip. Start by securing one end of the panel, using number 10 self-drilling screws to the first post. Before securing the other end to its corresponding post, use a level to ensure the panel is perfectly aligned. Once you confirm the panel is level, secure the other end to the next post. After securing both ends, continue to secure the panel to the remaining posts. Now, connect the ecPanel, pre-cut if needed, to the ecStarter and secure it to each post. Repeat this process for each additional panel. Finish it off by placing the post caps on top of each post. Now sit back and enjoy your new ecFence, offering the perfect blend of privacy, style, and durability. ecFence Systems, fencing made easy.